applications running and both. So that is why what the diagnostics is, and this is the reason we need it, because we have to actually monitor our application for all the good things. So the difference, now we're going to look at what is the difference of diagnostics in single server. Let us assume here is single server is nothing but on-premise servers which we have access to and where we have been deploying our applications. So on-premise single servers are generally static environments. They don't change. We know the physical machine. We can log into that, remote access it, a specific machine, and do all kind of things what we want to do, which is single well-known instance. It is there are traceable local transactions. What it means is the machine is going to be the same machine. It is going to have the hard disk and hard drive mapped, and whatever information you have going to be constant. The local access is feasible. It might be local or remote access, but the deal is that it is the tools which we need to get the information from this machine are actually, and the data, they are co-located. Okay, so they can be on the same environment, the same machine. And you can very well do in-place changes in your monitoring information what you want. In cloud, as we know, we have been talking about cloud on TechGig. There are lots of sessions happening. There are a few of sessions which I have conducted on Windows Azure specifically. So the cloud is all about dynamic environment. Okay, I just got distracted with this pop-up. Okay, so cloud is all about dynamic environment. This multi-instance, elastic capacity, distributed workloads. What it means is it is not a static environment. It is not a single well-known instance. It could be a dynamic virtual machine which will come up and it will actually start running your application. So we don't know which machine and which virtual machine is going to run my application. Local access is infeasible. I mean, yeah, there are mechanisms by which you can remote desktop it, but that is like just a workaround to and that should be used only in some of the cases. It should not be a practice as such to remote desktop to the dynamic virtual machines which we get. And there are multiple nodes. Obviously, there is another challenge which we have all the time. Dynamic, and there are many nodes which are distributed. It is always we're talking about scale of data. So these are the basic differences which we have to consider when we are thinking about diagnostics point of view, as compared to a single server or a static environment and a cloud which is like a dynamic environment.